Reaching out to target potential customers has just been made easy for any company or organization looking forward to grow their business in 2025. It is time-saving, simple interface, and user-friendly for easy accessibility. With this software, you can extract business information like company name, phone number, email address, website, and social media links directly from the search engine. It allows users to gather potential leads from local businesses. Kindly make sure you watch this video till the very end and follow the step-by-step processes as we dive into the full tutorial. The kind of business you do will determine the kind of keywords you will need to use to generate your potential lead. For instance, if you are into food stuff business, you will need to target people who sell food like a restaurant or eatery. There are always target leads for every organization. Alright, so this is the interface of the software. We have where you can actually search for a website, and you can see the list of all the countries below. Alright, we have Italy, Germany, USA, Australia, and so on. There are so many countries that you can actually extract emails from. Okay, but for the purpose of this video, we are going to be extracting emails and other data like phone numbers, addresses, website name, and all that stuff from Canada. Okay, so if you click yellowpages.ca, it will take you right straight to this very page. Okay, once you are here, you search for a business. Let's say you are looking for a restaurant. Okay, you want to get data for a restaurant in Canada. Okay, you can just type restaurants there. All right, and then you select restaurant. Now you have to choose the location where you want your data to be extracted from, and mind you, we selected Canada, so definitely you need to put an address or a location in Canada. So I'm going to use Ottawa. Okay, let me select this. So next you have to click on the search. Once you select that, this will pop up. Once you have this opened, you have to click on this get data. All right, click on get data. Okay, then there's another thing you are supposed to do even before now, like the settings. You can do a quick setting here to actually remove something you don't want to show on the search. If you go to settings, you can decide to show in result table. Here you can decide to remove a lot of things like I did here. You can see I removed category, I removed state, I remove state, I remove category here, and so on. You can also remove zip code if you don't want it to show. Okay, whatever you don't want to show in your search result, you have to remove them here. You can remove fast, you can just leave the phone number there. Okay, and so on. You can leave the website and the emails. Okay, once you are done, you click OK. Then another thing here is you can also select the format in which you want to export your data with. Okay, if you select Excel, that means your data will be exported in Excel format. So if you select table separated text file, it will be extracted in table separated text file. Okay, so I'll just click OK. In this particular search, we have got 2,866 results. Okay, so that's where our data are going to come from. But when looking at it, you can see what we already have. We have some emails at the right hand side, we have the website, we have the phone number. This may take a lot of time, so you just have to be patient while this very software extract your emails and your phone numbers, all the data you need. Okay, in order not to make this video too long, I'm going to stop this right here. Okay, I'm going to click stop collection of data, so I'll just click this. The process will stop, and then I'll have to select all data and click on export, then choose a name. Let's say Canada rest 1 2 3. Okay, so I'll just save this, and that's all. You already have that file on your desktop. Next, you want to open that file you just extracted. and these are the data. But if you don't like the way they appear here, you can select all and then copy to your Excel. Go to your Excel, open your Excel, and then paste it here. Let's open this. So this is how you can extract company and business email leads, data from different companies or organizations anywhere in the world. Okay, you can have their data and use it for your marketing. This video is for educational purposes. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, like and share with friends. You can drop a comment in the comment section below. If you're interested in the software, I will drop a link in the description below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.